Wait, how should I do a Honda sign? Not like that. Wait. I don't know what to do with my hands.
Dude, we just two thumbs together. I think. There we go. That's a big sign. It's like gonna take like all your fingers.
Wait. Why is this so hard?
Make an H.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Honda.
I don't know if that looks like an H.
I don't know. There. Oh, got it. Honda. Look at my hand.
Does that look...
Like an H?
Yeah, and it's kind of curvy.